am pretty shocked about what I'm going to show you here in a minute. Has to do with stocks versus crypto, the fallout, if you will, from yesterday, which was yesterday. The FOMC, the Federal Reserve, had their meeting, made their announcement. They raised the base interest rate by 50 basis points, which is what we expected. But there is continued kind of contagion and fallout from that today. And it is crypto, ironically, that is really holding up pretty well compared to stocks. And I want to show you that. So with that said, if you haven't already done so, hit the subscribe button below. Please drop a like on this video. Greatly appreciate you. Thank you for coming and looking at what I have for you. So here's the thing. So right now, stocks, apologize, are down 800. The Dow's down 800. The NASDAQ's down 323. Stocks plunge as central banks rattle markets. Retail sales have missed. Now, what's going on here on the stock side of the house is you've got a couple of things. Elon sold about 3.8 billion, that's with a B, 3.8 billion worth of his Tesla stock shares. Probably just a kind of a normal sell-off kind of for him scenario, but that's impacted the overall stock market. And obviously the central bank, the Federal Reserve yesterday, that's impacted. Now we've got this retail sales miss, but look at what's going on in crypto. In the exact same time, okay, crypto is down, but it's not down as much. Okay. It's down 3 or 4%. It is down. It is moving down a little bit, but it's not reacting as aggressively. And I think that stocks are being pummeled. And so I'm shocked by this in a way. Stocks are being pummeled much more than crypto is. In fact, crypto has been holding up exceedingly better all day today in this kind of comparison and contrasting scenario that is playing out. Okay. And here's the thing. We know that crypto, Bitcoin, Ethereum, blue chips, all of crypto has some more downside risk. I think that it's been an ongoing narrative that it is entirely possible that Bitcoin can fall below, say, $12,000 in the next month or so. That's an entirely possible thing. There are some very smart people that do technical analysis that I pay very close attention to, and a lot of them are all saying the very similar things. 12-ish, maybe 10. Ethereum going to $500 to $600. Those sound like really dramatic moves down, but for Bitcoin to go down from where it's at currently in the $17,400 range to $10,000, I mean, that's a significant move down. That's, almost don't do math in public, but almost a 50% move down, probably about a 40-ish%, give or take, move down. But it's not like Bitcoin's going to fall from 30,000 to 10. Okay. We're already down here kind of in these lower levels, if you will. And by the way, at $17,000 current price, that's the price that Bitcoin was back in 2017, if you didn't know that. Yeah. The current level it's at right now, 17,000, was if you had basically bought it in 2017. That's the same price point as it was back then. It's an interesting little fact for you. But the bottom line here is that I think that there is more downside risk, but I always look at it as a kind of a glass half full kind of thing. And if you know these things are coming, if you know there's volatility, there's some downward pressure that could be looking at coming into Bitcoin, Ethereum, all the blue chips, kind of like all of crypto, there is kind of more downside risk. And we really talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum because they make up 60% combined. They make up 60% of the overall market capitalization of all of crypto. They're the ones we pay attention to. It's buying opportunity. If Bitcoin gets down to 10, 12,000, I'm definitely buying. If Ethereum gets down to $500, $600, I am buying. I mean, period, end of story, because I believe fundamentally in the long-term vision and where crypto is going to go in next year in 2024 and 25. Food for thought. But I am shocked at kind of what's playing out right now, that the stock market is just being pummeled and crypto is moving a little bit, but it's not reacting as aggressively. All right. Give me your thoughts below. I'll see you. Thanks. Bye.